Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with one of the wooden bunnies from Dollar Tree that are new this year. And I'm going to start by painting the edges and the back all with a light pink color. And I did get a little on the front, like around the edges, but I didn't make it a point to paint the front, because I'm just going to cover that anyway with some scrapbook paper, so it was not a big deal. And these bunnies are really nice and really good quality for $1.25. They came with a bunny or an egg, a chick, or a carrot. Once I have that all painted, I am going to take the scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's a Shabby Chic scrapbook paper. It came in one of the paper packs. And I'm just going to trace my bunny out onto that. Once I have it all traced, I am going to cut that out. Once I have that all cut out, I'm going to take it and lay it on my bunny just to make sure that I didn't miss any spots and that there won't be anything sticking through. And then I am just going to use some Mod Podge to adhere that to the bunny. So just doing a nice thick layer and then laying that on. And I absolutely love this scrapbook paper. It has such a shabby chic look. Make sure that that Mod Podge is all nice and even and not clumpy, so it all dries at the same time. And then I'm just going to lay it on there and then just smooth it out with my fingers. And then once I have that all smoothed on there, I'm just going to let that fully dry. And I am going to next take a sander and then just sand off the excess paper. So just go all the way around, and in between the little areas like around his neck and in between his legs and arms, I just used a nail file to get rid of that paper. So once I have that all sanded, I'm just going to take some antique wax and go around the whole edges of the bunny and around the sides. I'm just making sure that I get it all evenly around and then just start doing the edges. I wanted this bunny to be super shabby chic and have like a rustic look to it also. Just making sure that I get in all those little nooks and crannies all the way around. And then once I have that all done, I'm going to take this piece of cheesecloth that I had previously coffee dyed, and I just ripped it into a strip, and I'm just going to tie a simple bow right around the neck. And then just kind of arrange it how I want it. And then cut off the excess tails and kind of fluff out the bow itself. So I'm just going to put my finger in and just kind of pull apart those pieces. And get it to look how I want it. And just kind of mess with it until you get it how you want it. You could use a strip of muslin. It's totally up to you. Next, I'm going to take this little tiny rosette that I had, and I'm going to glue that right to her bow. Then I cut a square of burlap, and I am going to glue that to the bottom right-hand corner. And then I also cut a square of muslin to go on top of this little piece of burlap. So I'm just going to set that down right there at the bottom. And then I am going to take the little square of muslin that I had, and I'm going to stamp out the word hop on it. So I'm just going to use some stamps. They are from Stampin' Up, but I got them at a thrift store for like $2.50 for the whole pack. And I'm just going to stamp out the word hop, and then I am going to glue that right to the top of that little burlap square. And that is it. This project is done. I think this turned out so super cute. I absolutely love it. I love these bunnies and all the other wooden shapes. For the price, you just can't beat the quality. And I think this just turned out super cute. And she's just shabby chic perfect. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.